Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this orange and gold winged eyeshadow makeup look. To start this look, I put tape on the edges of the eyes. Then I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette for the dark orange shade. And I'm using this along the tape and making it into a winged eyeliner. Then on the inner corners, I'm making kind of a half cut crease shape. And then blending that color down onto the lid. Next, I'm using the Huda Beauty Peach Obsessions palette for the sparkly orange, and I'm putting that next to where we blended out the color before, going more on towards the lid. Then I'm using the Juvia's Place Nudes palette for the light golden sparkly shade, and I'm putting this on the outer corners of the lids. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'll be topping this with false lashes. For the lips, I'm using the Jeffree Star Unicorn Blood Red Liquid Lipstick. And that completes this orange and gold winged eyeshadow makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of the look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.